So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching how to fix your Monopoly Go that is not working on your iPhone. So the first step that you'll have to do is go to your Monopoly application, and as you can see here, it's loading up as usual. And if it doesn't load up as usual, the first thing that we can do is go to our own app store. So from your app store, all you have to do is search your Monopoly Go, and then head on to your Monopoly Go. And if you see the open button right there, that means it's the newest version of Monopoly. And if not, you have to update your Monopoly Go so that it will be in the latest version and it can run smoothly on your iPhone. So the next thing you can also do is uninstall and install the Monopoly application on your iPhone. So for example, all you have to do is just remove the app and delete the app from your iPhone, and then just install the app again and run it like usual. And your last one is actually restarting your device. So by restarting your device, you can also clear whatever apps that you have used in the past few minutes and hours by restarting the application and your iPhone itself. So that is how you fix your Monopoly Go app on your iPhone, and thank you for watching this video.